Hey everybody, Mark from the Geek Church here. Today we've got two products from UGREEN. We reviewed UGREEN before, and this time we have the MagFlow 10,000 milliampere hour magnetic wireless power bank and the MagFlow 2-in-1 magnetic wireless charger. We're going to be opening these up, trying these out right after this. Okay, we're going to start with the MagFlow magnetic wireless power bank. And as I've said before, we reviewed UGREEN products before, so we might as well just open it up and try it out. Oh wait, I think I just said that. Yeah, there's a lot of things I'm repeating. Anyway, so I think I know what to expect from it. It sort of looks like your typical power bank, which I'm starting to view a lot of these days. I don't know. So, in fact, this actually looks almost identical to one that I just reviewed from Charge. But of course, I don't know if I'm going to put that one first or this one. Okay, I shouldn't be thinking aloud like this. Anyway, but here it is right here. So, as you can see, we got ourselves a little bit of a, let's see, what do you call it? I believe it's MagSafe or Qi enabled. Feels like it has a covering to it, but I can't really, it just feels like it's nice and covered here. Now I'm going to push this button on here, and you're going to see something here. It has a 48 on the side. So unlike a lot of these power banks, which just have like 4 dots, and you're supposed to figure out, do a little math to figure out that each dot represents 25% of power, this one has an actual number on the side. That comes in handy a lot. So I'm seeing a something for your hand here. This is about it. This is all this does. The one I had for the Charge one was kind of like a separate cord in and of itself. It also has one of these. Oh, look at that. I guess it does do something like that. It's an actual cord that's sort of gets in there. Here, I'll try and do a close-up of it. As you can see, it sort of puts in there and then that goes in there. See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? That's pretty awesome. So I'm guessing you could probably charge about 3 things on it. I'm going to go with it. So it's got a 25 watt fast charge. So it's next gen Qi 2 wireless power. So I'm just going to put something on here that I know is wireless chargeable. Push the button, and then we're going to get a little bit of, well, that's odd. It didn't really normally just takes to it right away. Okay, there we go. Sometimes you get that delayed result, but it does work. So yeah, and keeps working here. So basically this is 50% faster than MagSafe, this Qi 2 wireless charger. So it charges an iPhone 16 Pro Max in 33% in 20 minutes. So 1/3 power in 20 minutes. That's pretty good here. So, and this is a 30 watt built-in cable. So this is good. You could even charge a laptop, tablet, or phone. Apparently there's 17 powerful magnets in this thing. Can you believe it? I didn't say, you just didn't, I don't know. And of course it's got 10,000 milliampere power. I kind of expected that. Usually things on this side is about that. And it's also got 13 layers of safety. So it's got protection from overheating. Something that was important and something I just talked about before with the Charge. I keep mentioning that a lot. I guess I can't help but make the comparison since I just reviewed it like literally a few minutes ago. Or at least I talked about it a few minutes ago. As far as the full review, yeah, I always have an article about this thing here, and this is going to be no exception. I'm looking at the website, and I'm not really seeing anything here as far as like any more features I can talk about. I think there's an option. Okay, there's like a fast charging indicator on here and wireless charging. So that's kind of interesting here. Didn't expect that. So I'm guessing you could, I mean, it's got an extra port down here. So I'm guessing you could probably charge like 3 different items at once. And yeah, I'm going to just say, yeah, I'm going to say you can do that. Let's just say you can. Yeah. All right. Okay. If you can only do like 2, I'll have to, if you can only charge 2 items, I'll have to put that in my article. Yeah. Anyway, let's get to our next item here. Oh, but first, I better talk about the price. I'm seeing the price here for about $89.99, but I'm also seeing it marked down to $59.99. Now that could be a Cyber Monday deal because I am in fact opening this up on Cyber Monday. But hey, I'll let you figure out what price you want to pay for it and if you think it's legit. As for me, hey, I'll recommend UGREEN. They've given me some great products before that I'm still using. So what can I say? All right, on to the next product. For reals now. Okay, so this is the MagFlow 2-in-1 magnetic wireless charger. So we know for sure it can only do 2 products. Yeah, maybe a little bit push it. Nah. I don't really think we can do that much with this. As far as like, this is one of those things you don't want to like over cap, if you know what I mean. Okay, so let's take this out and this little plastic here, and we're gonna get started on it. Now this, I like the way this thing is here. Now I'm seeing this as this little box, but I believe I can do this. Yeah, there you go. So, okay, so we've got this thing right here, and it's a little small, but that's fine. So I'm going to put it on top there, and I'm going to hit the button, right? So, where's the button? Shouldn't there be a button? That's odd. There's usually a button on these things. Okay. Is there a button on top? Okay, usually it's, how much power is in this thing? I don't even know. Oh, this is crazy. Hang on. We're going to take a little break and then come back here. Okay, break over. I think I've just discovered something. I thought this was like a battery thing or a power pack, but I don't think it is. I think this is designed to connect with a wire, which, by the way, is included in this. And so we're going to put this on here, and you can take it. Okay, so I think I misjudged this product. I thought it was like a battery of some type or a power bank, like the other thing I was reviewing. But it is pretty much just made to be a charger. Now, it does come with this USB-C to USB cable, and unfortunately, it's not the type that when I plugged it into my computer, I could get it to work. I had to actually get an adapter cable for the wall to get it to work. This is what I'm discovering. Maybe your computer is different. I don't know, but my laptop has like a spare USB-C port that I use to sometimes charge some things. And it usually works out well. I don't know why this didn't work out well this time. Anyway, so I'm charging my, a smartphone that I have here now. It's charging wirelessly and doing pretty well. So you also notice that there is also this little guy down here. You can charge your AirPods on it, or something that's equivalent wireless here. I don't think I could put my phone on that and have the same experience. Oh, what do you know? I can. I did not expect that. So I can probably do 2 MagSafe phones on here. Yeah, quite something. Yeah, I could probably angle this down here, put one phone here, put one phone there, and then we got it. Yeah. So just have a sufficient enough power to have it, and it should work out pretty well for you. So anyway, okay, so what else can I talk about it? Hey, apparently there's 16 magnets here for its hold, and it feels pretty good. There's also NTC sensors here to track heat at about 200 times per second to prevent overheating and overcharge. Gotta love that. So it's got 25 watt wireless fast charge, so that's good enough to charge an iPhone 16 Pro Max to about 50% in just 30 minutes. Gotta love that, don't we? Oh yeah. So, okay. I'm having fun playing with this thing. So yeah, we can charge 2 things. It's got an extra port here on the side. I don't know if you can do like if I had a USB-C to USB-C, could I do that? I have no idea, honestly. You know what? I'm going to check this out here. Is there anything on here that says I could do that? Okay. You know what I'm going to do? All right. I'm going to wrap this up here, but in the article, I'll have to test this out right beforehand and write a little something on that. Let's get you the price. I'm seeing it about $59.99, but it's marked down to about $44.99. That could be a Cyber Monday deal because, as I mentioned before, I'm doing this report or this video footage on Cyber Monday. But hey, that's it for a review of UGREEN products here. And it's been Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, signing off.